Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's tech news with Vivo. The first look of Vivo Watch 2 is leaked by Digital Chat Station. Infinix INBOOK X1 series laptops are going to be launched in India soon. OnePlus Trifold foldable smartphone patent is leaked by Let's Go Digital. This is how the smartphone would look like. Huawei launched its Huawei Watch GT Runner in the global market. This smartwatch has 1.43-inch HD AMOLED 466 by 466 pixels resolution display, dual band 5 system GNSS, dynamic heart rate monitoring, SpO2 sensor, 4GB internal storage, magnetic charging, can take 5 atmospheric pressure, 100 sports mode, 2 weeks battery life. It weighs only 38.5 grams, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and is available in grey color. This smartwatch is launched at the price of 1399 Malaysian ringgit, that is around rupees 25,000. Oppo ENCO Free 2i TWS is going to be launched on 25th of November in China, and the renders and some specifications are leaked by Infinix. According to these renders, these TWS has Bluetooth 5.0, 10 meters range, 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency, large battery, and 5-watt charging support. Along with Oppo ENCO Free 2i TWS, Oppo will also launch its Oppo RENO 7 series on 25th of November in China. In total, 3 smartphones will be there, named Oppo RENO 7, Oppo RENO 7 Pro, and Oppo RENO 7 SE. The first one is Oppo RENO 7. This smartphone would have Snapdragon 778G processor, 4500 mAh battery with a 65-watt charging, 64 megapixel main rear camera, Android 11 with ColorOS 12, and could come in 8GB 128GB, 8GB to 56GB, and 12GB to 56GB variants. The second is Oppo RENO 7 Pro. This smartphone would have MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max processor, 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt charging, Android 11 with ColorOS 12, and could come in 8GB to 56GB and 12GB to 56GB variants. The third is Oppo RENO 7 SE. This smartphone would have 6.43-inch FHD Plus flat 90Hz AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, 48 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie camera, 4500 mAh battery with a 33-watt charging, Wi-Fi 6, IPX4 rating, 5GB virtual RAM, Android 11 with ColorOS 12, would come in 8GB, 128GB and 8GB to 56GB variants and will be available in black, gold and blue colors. Diesel smartwatch with model number DW2121 receives Indian BIS certification. Realme RMA 1010 receives IMDA certification. OnePlus 9RT, also known as OnePlus RT, is spotted on Google supported devices list and Google Play console listing. Snowcore XE21 TWS is spotted on Indian BIS certification. Realme C35 and Realme Narzo 50A Prime receives EEC certification. Redmi 10 2022 receives TKDN certification. Samsung Galaxy A13 5G receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Oppo files a trademark for tomorrow. OnePlus BLP 899 battery receives TUV Rhineland certification. Realme mouse is spotted on Realme's Indian website warranty page. Xiaomi's 4 new batteries receives Indian BIS certification. This is all in today's tech news. I hope you liked it. Now I will see you on Friday with the next episode of Tech News with Pallav. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and save water.